text animation might seem complicated at first. But today, I'll show you how to create 2 clean Apple-style animations using nothing but the built-in tools in After Effects. These animations are smooth, modern, and professional, just like the ones you see in Apple ad. And the best part? No plugins, no presets, no complex expressions. We'll do everything using the Animate panel. Let's get started. Style 1. Word by word reveal animation. First, open After Effects. Grab the text tool from the toolbar. Click on the comp and type your text. I'm using sample text for this example. Now let's scale it up to make it more visible. Open the scale property and set it to 150%. You can adjust it as needed. Now we'll begin animating. Select the text layer and click the arrow to expand it. Click on Animate and choose Position. This creates a new animator, Animator 1. Set the Y position to 60. This moves the text downwards. That will be our starting point. Now click Add, go to Property, and choose Opacity. Set opacity to 0%, so the text starts off invisible. Next, open Range Selector 1. Go into the Advanced section. Change Based On to Words. This will make the text animate one word at a time. Then, change the shape from square to ramp up. This will help the animation flow more naturally. Now set Ease High to 20% and Ease Low to 100% for a smooth transition. Time to keyframe the animation. Click the stopwatch next to Offset to create the first keyframe. At frame 0, set the offset value to -100%. Now move forward about 15 to 20 frames and set the second offset keyframe to 100%. You should now see each word reveal itself from bottom to top. To smooth the motion even more, select both keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Then open the graph editor. Adjust the curve to slow down the end of the animation by dragging the right handle in. This creates a smooth, elegant finish. Now enable motion blur for the text layer and also turn on motion blur in the timeline panel. And that's it for our first Apple-style animation. Before we move on to the second animation, I want to let you know that presets for both styles shown in this video are available in my Discord server, linked in the description. Let's create a new text layer. Type sample text again, or anything else you like. Now expand the layer. Click Animate and choose Position. Set the Y position to 60 this time. This will animate the text from top to bottom. Next, open Range Selector 1 and go to Advanced Settings. Set Based On to Words. Change the shape to ramp down. Set Ease High to 25%. Now click the stopwatch next to Offset to start animating. At frame 0, set Offset to 100%. Move forward a few frames around 15 to 20. And create a new keyframe with Offset at 100%. Now click on Add, go to Property, and choose Opacity. Set opacity to 0% so the text fades in. Select both keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them. Then head into the graph editor and tweak the curve to make the animation smoother and more dynamic. You can follow your preferred easing style here. And that's it. Our second Apple-style animation is done. If you're tired of repeating the same steps every time, just grab the free presets and project files from my Discord. They're in the description. I've got way more styles dropping soon. Stick around. You won't regret it.